going to strengthen our armed forces. Yung hindi biro, yung tipong hindi yung nakaganyan yung armed forces, nagpapalimos pingi-pingi, 200 billion. Tapos yung pinangakuan ng 2 trillion, 10 years na horizon. Hindi. Yung matitipid natin because of malaking corruption na yan, tsaka properly tayo, isipin natin, yung need is up. So, nagsimula tayo modernization 1995. Isipin mo yun, nakadalawa na tayo na 15 years. Padalawa na. 30 years yun. And what? Kawawa tayo. Kaya tayo ginaganyan ng China eh. So, mag-build up tayo. Kaya nga sa akin, isip ko, 500 billion to 1 trillion yearly for the next 10 years subject to extension kung kaya whatever is appropriate. Yung armed forces with the defense minister or defense department ang magsasabi. All we have to do, yung Senate na bago